Hello, sir. This is Louis. I'm introducing you our new LED module and waterproof module. Please have a look. Here is the GU10. Our all modules is to replace the GU10, okay? Here is waterproof 7 watt with waterproof driver and a waterproof screw. 7 watt. Same one, 7 watt. This is 9 watt. Waterproof cable. This is 12 watt. This also 12 watt. This height only 15 millimeters. Let's have a look. And here, this 1, 2, 3, 4 is our new design, full white or black trim. 7 watt, 10 watt, 12 watt. Please have a look. And this series is our last year design, from 7 watt to 20 watt. 7 watt, height 15 millimeters, and 10 watt refractor lens, and 12 watt. Can use white trim or black trim. This is 20 watt. All our modules is fit to these frames. Adjustable, fixed, full aluminum, adjustable, different colors of this refractor, and the matte black. So if you are looking for the GU10, you can check our modules, okay?